how to add background on Bigo Live. Now this is a really simple process. So before moving on to that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's start. Make sure that you've installed your Bigo Live first. If you don't have it, go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store and download Bigo Live. After you've downloaded it, just open it up. And on the bottom, you'll be seeing a lot of options that says live video, the blue video looking option, chat and me. Click on the center option and then it will take you to this page right here. Now make sure that you're on live, and after you've done that, you'll be seeing two options right besides go live. Click on the effect one that is on the right side, and there you'll see the background option. Now click on any one option that you want to apply, and then you'll be able to add your background. Now choose the one that you want. There are several different options. There are fantasy, cool, illustrations, new ones, custom, festivals and whatnot. So that is how you add background on live on your Bigo Live. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video.